Ooh, finding the standard equation of an ellipse. Well, it's not quite as complicated as Game of Thrones, you know, where one spoke's up and down, going constantly to quote Daenerys Targaryen. So here we go. How do we do this? So let's find the standard form of the equation of an ellipse having a foci at 0, 1, and 4, 1 and a major axis of a length of 6. Well, one thing I know is this. Notice my y values are the same. So that tells me my major axis is horizontal. So the first thing I want to find is this here. I need to find the midpoint of that point right there. Because if I find the midpoint, that will give me my center. Because remember, the foci are equal distance from the center. So basically take my x values, 0 and 4, add them together and divide by 2. So 0 plus 4 is 4 divided by 2. So I know this. And because both those points are 1, I know the center of the ellipse is at 2, 1. Wow. That's it? Well, we're not done. All we found is the center. That's our H and our K. But what we have not done is we have to find, in a sense, what our minor axis is too. Now here we have it. The foci has a distance of 2 from the center. That means C is equal to 2. We think back to our picture we had a while ago. And the major axis is 6. And remember this, the major axis all the way across would have the A value doubled. So if I take 6 and cut it in half, like so 2A equals 6, A is 3. So here's what I know. I know C, and I know A is 3. I need to know B. Well, how can I find B? Well, remember, if A squared was equal to B squared plus C squared, then B squared will equal A squared minus C squared. So I can take then my A value and plug it in, minus the C value. So 9 minus 4. Now B squared is 5, so that means B is actually the square root of 5. So here's what happens. To write my formula, I know everything I need to know now. Because I have, look, I have an H, I have a K, I have an A, and I have a B. So plug it back in. X minus 2, right there for my H, my K, and here we go. And then 3 for the A, and B right there. And I know the 3 had to go to the A because I knew it was the major axis was horizontal. So that's how I knew the 3 was underneath the X value. And so there's my answer. X minus the quantity, X minus 2 quantity squared over 9 plus the quantity Y minus 1 squared divided by 5 equals 1. All right. And there we found the standard equation of an ellipse.